Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making pecan pie. So let's get to it. So in a large clean bowl, you want to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, half a cup of unsalted butter that has been chopped into cubes, half a cup of water. Start to form your dough with a spoon, then with your hands. Right before you transfer your dough, always remember to lightly dust the platform you are doing it on. Now you want to take your beautiful dough and wrap it in some cling wrap. Now take your dough, put it into the fridge while we're making our filling. So in another large bowl, you want to add half a cup of maple syrup, then half a cup of 올리고당 or light corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs, then 1/4 a cup of melted unsalted butter. Now we're going to add 1 cup of chopped pecans. Mix well. Now get your lightly dusted tabletop back, then get a rolling pin and roll it out until it is about 1/4 inch thick. Now we're going to transfer our dough to a pan. Now cut off all your excess dough. Now this part is optional, but you can make a crinkle cut across your crust. Now add all of your filling. Now add 1.5 cups of pecan on the top. Now add your pecan pie to an oven that is preheated to 350 degrees for 50 minutes. And optionally, you can add some buttermilk on the crust to make it crispier. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time.